The paradox of visibility. We are living in a time of unprecedented visual noise. We see so many images every single day, it's almost hard to breathe. And I feel like we've arrived at a peculiar crossroads. I remember walking through a major art show recently, all those lights, all those pictures in a city far away. But instead of feeling excited, I felt a deep sense of disillusionment. When I looked at the young photographers there, I saw the same thing in their eyes. They looked tired. They looked lost. As technology renders the act of taking a photo so effortless, we are witnessing a strange change. It feels like modern art is grappling with a crisis of heart. We try so hard to make photos look important by turning them into big statues or strange objects. But the more we do that, the more superficial they feel on the inside. It is as if we are trying to hide a lack of meaning with expensive gimmicks. Photography used to be about things that were beyond the reach of language, those deep feelings we just couldn't put into words. But now? It feels like a paradoxical shift has happened. The photo isn't the main character anymore. It's just a small part of a long, boring essay, maybe even written by an AI in seconds. We are stuck in a relentless pursuit of likes and attention. We care more about how much we produce than what we are actually saying. We make art that people look at for 5 seconds, and we forget how to make something that lasts for a lifetime. But I believe a change is inevitable. When things go too far in one direction, they always swing back. People are getting tired of these empty tricks. This aesthetic fatigue will eventually lead us back home. Back to the basics. Back to the simple, honest truth of just seeing. Art should not merely be a commodity for a wall, but a way to make us think. We need to stop just consuming everything without a thought. To really grow, we need the courage to say, I don't agree. We need constructive dissent. Only by asking the hard questions can we find the soul of the image again. We need real, honest talk. Only by asking, is this really okay? Can we find the soul of the image again?